Hello there. Hi Penguin Operator. I know you have your Ruby chosen. I have not done anything with Ruby, by the way. Like, I don't think I ever... Okay, no, I have installed it in the past, I guess. But like... Nothing more than that, I guess. Why can't I move it? I'm just trying to make Chattery actually like positioned correctly, because right now it's floating. Also, I need to do this and do this. Break illusions a little bit more. Because normally people have like their display capture or whatever. So they put their screen in OBS like here, I don't know, and then they have a background, and then they have also their overlay. Instead, they have everything on the same window. On the screen, on my screen, I literally just made full screen windows only takes this part, but this now means that Chatria is also taking this section instead of taking the full screen, which is a problem. Move window. So MSG identifier move position XY. Well, isn't that what I was doing? But instead it's like angry that I have negative pixels. If I do 0, 0, does it... I have no idea where Chatter's borders are. I guess I could... Oops. Wait. I guess I could create a random plush and push it like to the left. So I can see where the border is. So here. That's... I mean... Okay, good enough. Now if I do this, yeah, that's relative. If I do absolute, well, yeah, it moves a little bit to a different monitor. So what is it, 800? I don't know. I guess I need to edit my configs. Here. Output. Okay, can I actually like move it negatively? So was reading it out. So HDMI 1 is 124. Oh, actually, yeah, makes sense. So if I do 0 here and negative 124 here, and if I reload, it's gonna break stuff. Yes, I know. Now I need to do this. I need to do this. And I need to do sway MSG. Move absolute position 0, 0. Resize. I wish I could resize absolute. Oh, this would be so nice. Resize. Set. Yeah, I don't know. I guess let's just so move absolute position 0, 0. Let's just implement it into sway. 0, 0. Reload configs again. Yes, I have to. Fix output. X bar. Fix this, and now theoretically I should just be able to do this. Fortunately, chat's gonna disappear for a moment. No, it's still off. Why? Wait, what? Here. Why are you still off? So here are the bounds. Oops. Yeah, those bounds are correct. Why is it not why is it not using them? For window, is for window not working correctly? Sway for window. Because it doesn't really work. Where's the position absolute? No, move absolute position 0, 0. Plus chatry. Move absolute position 0, 0. Exactly. What's wrong? I don't get it. I guess I'll figure it out next time. Anyway. Let me make the font a little bigger. Also, this is probably gonna be a shortish stream. Unfortunately. Okay, so let's actually get to it. What do we need? I don't know. Ooh, so many borders. I wish I could at least get rid of the title bar, but I don't think I can. Yeah, that's what we have right now from this function. So from this file we get to this file, which, I mean, looks pretty nice to me. Zilch, remove borders. Kinda wanna get rid of the borders. Paint Control PC, yeah, I know. Oh, that's not much though. Remove top and bottom lines. Customize default layout. Oh, so default layout exists. Wait, I didn't realize that my this thing which I use for chat. YouTube ULTC. Wait, ULCT actually ran, but I don't need it running because it drains my API key very quickly. So how could I How could I change the layout? Control P. Okay, so this is a little small. Let me just enlarge it, the window. Tab reload, del close. So I can close this plugin. Plugin manager, and now, yeah, that's nicer. That's a bit nicer. So those were plugins. That is interesting. Anyway, now we can finally get we can finally get to the compiler stuff. So yeah, if we cargo run, we can generate some C code. I don't even remember what we ended on last time. Let's visit main, I guess. So main does this. Source declare define. Oh, I can't even open it. Let's be array lib, I guess could be. Here declare define. So yeah, we traverse all modules, all items, literally. What even is this? Def is by the ID. Oh, so we call back on stuff. And yeah, here declare symbol, build symbol. Orco is the compiler. Well, what you're looking at right now, rather. Right now, it's basically Orco is a tool that generates from this piece of Rust code. It generates this piece of C code. So the includes and insert_t main insert_t test and definition of the function. Definition currently doesn't have any statements. That's what we're working on. Not quite. Well, right now it is. mrustc. There is a compiler called mrustc. I can probably find it. Wait, that's the wrong window. Why? What's wrong with my borders? Oh, here. It's fixed now. Wait, it's still wrong. This one. And this window is here. So mrustc exists, which is a Rust to C transpiler. But my transpiler was meant to do different things. It was meant to connect languages. That's interesting. Is a simple Rust compiler written in C++? Ah! Ow! Apparently very ugly C. Yeah, that's... that... So apparently it's not quite a Rust to C transpiler. Well, my goal is to output beautiful C. And not quite C, because we are... Well, C is just one of the backends, but I am planning to support generics and... well, yeah, I guess name mangling or something like that. But... most of the other things are just C. And yeah, point is, other languages apart from Rust are gonna be able to generate the same C code and interface with each other. And also, I'm gonna build some tools for it, like REPL, just-in-time compiler. What else? An interpreter, because why not? Multiple backends, huh? And also, well, I guess that's about it. An LSP client. I mean, LSP client is more like on the language side, so I guess I won't be able to use it like that. Anyway, let's see. And everything is so small. Line number. What? I wish I could make it smaller. Helix, hide line numbers. Actually, do I really need line numbers? I mean, I do need line numbers when I'm searching for line numbers. But right now it's wasting so much space. Editor gutters. Ooh. Number. Line dash number. Relative. Well, I guess that's what it is right now. Toggle key value one value to what? I don't get it. Why can't I get rid of line numbers? Closed by a pull request. Make gutters configurable. It doesn't explain how I can configure it. Oh, set gutters, diagnostics. Something like that. Oh, it worked, yay. It still is pretty big. I mean, I just want people to see it. It's like I want big fonts so that people who are watching the stream can actually see it. So yeah, let's see. I don't have function building yet. Do I have function declaration? Pretty much sorted. Oh my god, I can't see anything in it. Like, in reality, I would do something like that. Like when I was, if I was writing real code. Wow, I have a lot of nesting here. How does threading like write stuff that fits on the screen? Why do I have a loop here? Oh wow. While you building GitHub com penguin operator E. Literally E. Oh. That's what comes after D, right? C like just-in-time compiled low-level programming language. And written in C. I guess actually I shouldn't start with source. I should start with... Was there like one piece of source? Init 12 hours ago. Quine. Oh, you have a Quine already. Oh wow, this looks familiar. It goes question mark. I guess you could put quotes in it, in there. You probably should have put quotes in there. Shouldn't you? Oh, actually, that's an interesting. Huh. Oh wait, you have I assume this is gonna write it in debug form. Yeah, I know, but it feels like too simple. I feel like there is something missing in it. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So you just started on it, right? Oh no, you have a logo already. And yeah, I assume I won't find anything here. Well, actually, what is command line argument parsing, huh? R REPL O RT parse. Oh my god. Wait, arc parse is like. Oh, hi Nigel. Arc parse is like what? Arc parse is like C built-in, or like I guess glib C or something. Nigel, do you like the new layout? So yeah, you have arcs. Oops. So you have arc parsing. Well, I mean, to be fair, like when I was doing one of the iterations of Orco, um, to be fair, when I was doing one of the iterations of Orco, I had uh, what I had the Orco CLI thing. See, if you don't like it, I can just here old layout, new layout. It's like one keybind away. Although maybe I can, maybe I can sway MSG. Yeah, but hold on. Wait, that's wrong. No, it is right. Let me just see. It's not OBS side. I knew I was like I was wanting to trick it to trick you into thinking it's OBS side. It isn't though. Because like I still stand by my point. I want my overlay to be always on my screen. I mean, I could switch to OBS side, to be fair. And then I would just show you Windows instead of the screen. See, I have quite a few gaps. I guess I could like maximize it over the whole thing. But yeah, I don't have anything here, for example. So like if I just approximately do something like that, would this look better? Ooh, why can't I expand it further? I wonder. So would something like this look better? Should there be anything below it? I guess I could get rid of left and top because it's not important. So right is 450 for 100%. I remapped it to mod C because Chatre. uh, what am I using mod D for? I'm actually not using mod D for anything. Mod C, yeah, here. Is it default? So I can comment this out and instead use mod D. Oh, I changed it because I used mod D for Discord streamer mode, but now I use Control Alt Shift D because Discord doesn't see mod key presses. So yeah, I'm gonna try this because I do like a mod D more. Is it do I need to have bind sim for it or do I not? Yeah, one more thing is when I reload, when I refresh, there are problems. Here, and then I need to do sway MSG output PG, and one more fun thing is in order to get rid of bar, I pkill with sig user 1. And yeah, Chatry is a problem. Another thing is this. Where is Chatry? I need to restart it, I guess. Oh, it's broken again, yeah. The offsets are broken for some reason, so I need to also sway MSG. Wait. Oh, here it is. Oh, I'm used to Super C. Move. See, for some reason this works, but if I do it in Sway config, it doesn't. Why? In for Windows section, I have the same move absolute position 0, and instead it moves just randomly. I think it centers on this point. Why is that? So yeah, anything else I wanted? Oh, mod D. On Herb's Loft. Oh my god, what? What? Floating windows are literally gamified. You can move them up and they'll go until they collide. Move once more and they'll go on top. On top, like... What? I mean, that sounds interesting. So I think I'm gonna be keeping this layout. I'm still... Wait. Oh wait, that's... I wish in the Leech I could control size a little nicer. So yeah, this is Xorg. DWM is Xorg. DWL though isn't. Why can't I? The Leech resize smaller steps. Or with a mouse. Yeah, I know. We have patches. Do patches work on both? I guess no. I guess they wouldn't, cause it's just. How can I make it smaller but not that smaller? Of course not. Yeah, that wouldn't make sense. Why can't I? Like I can move this, make the paint smaller, but that's too small. I want like a couple characters smaller. Popular DWM patches have DWL equivalents. Well, obviously. Also, is my camera looking weird? So I make it a little bigger. Canvas. So I move this here and this here. Oh, I can precisely change the size of camera pixel by pixel. I'll be back. See you soon. So now camera is overlapping with the window border. I think that's good enough, right? Oh my god. OBS is broken. So yeah. I know Alt plus and Alt minus works. 30%. Excuse me. Open Discord and look there. It exists. That's not 30% of the screen, is it? Well, actually, if I make it small, very small, and then do this. Well, no, that's just percentage. C is a scripting language. Who made the rules? I made the rules. C is a valid scripting language. Look, where is it? Um, you may submit any programming language as long as there is something describing its syntax and runtime. And literally, uh, I say, this is an odd choice, but it shows that you can push the boundaries. I can also submit Python if you want, if nobody else claims Python. Oh, by the way, wait, background. I see background. So yeah, if nobody else submits Python, I can submit Python as well. It also said, where is it? Oh, actually, yeah, here. You can submit more than one language if you want, but yeah, it doesn't kind of doesn't really make sense.
Can you read chat, please?
I can. No REPL, not a scripting language. Excuse me, C has a REPL. Okay, let me open Discord again. So look at my submission. It states clearly tools available. PicaC. Let's look up what PicaC is. Here, a very small C interpreter. Come on. You can literally, where is it? PicaC interactive mode, and it is literally a REPL. So what are you saying? C has a REPL. So it is a scripting language after all. But yeah, you don't have to have a REPL in order to participate in the thing. I wanted to submit Python, but then I thought that I should submit the language that's like nobody else is gonna submit, and that's gonna show that pushing boundaries is possible, and I was just like, C, why not? So how can I resize? Alt plus twice. Look at the on switch. Oh yeah. I mean, you can strip out most of it if you use the REPL version. See, because you don't have to have a main function. I mean, I know I can do control what? Control N, I think. I have no idea. I don't think it links libraries. I don't think it links libraries because it's an interpreter. It's not like just-in-time compilation. Although there is a compilation-based REPL, it's not particularly working well. So yeah, I think you can probably include stuff. Well, no, you have standard library, I think. I think. I mean, you have printf at least. And yeah, I am using regular C, not just PicoC. Examples. Are there examples? There are tests. Let's see. Let me see. For struct case. Is there malloc? Malloc and free implemented. Okay, that sounds good. This does not use that tiny. Let's see. Strings.c, I don't know. I said it's not choice. Wait. I edited it so many times I don't even remember what's inside of it. The rules. I think it's gonna win because it's pushing boundaries, right? Wait, what's wrong? Oh, Discord froze. Discord's broken. Oh, Discord's actually broken. Chromium is just not working if we full screen it sometimes. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Those are reasons for being a great scripting language. Okay, fine. Fine, if you want it. C is fast. No. Here. Now. Now I have. This is the reason. What did you write? Oh, you have like you have points. Yeah, I remember that. Uh, it's not bad. It is an odd choice. um, Short and elegant. Also, I wish somebody did Lua. I'm not gonna take all of the languages for me. Also, I should probably ask Bedcop to do Bash to represent Bash. I know. I don't think I can get her to actually like do weird challenges. No, it's not a bad choice. It's just weird. It's unexpected. It's not bad. C is a nice language for scripting. Well, depends on what you call scripting. Like, there are two definitions of scripting. One is where you write scripts, like something like shell scripts, or, well, yeah, basically it. You can do it in like any language pretty much, and you do shebang to run it. And the second one is when you embed the scripting language to write scripts, well, yeah, for other applications. Because I feel like those are separate. But mostly like elegance is the point. How they actually resize the Lich Bane? The Lich action resize. Resize. Pain. Wait, pain. Okay, like actually, what is this? Resize direction. Size. Oh, wait, what? Right, left, up, down, plus or minus? Oh, minus. Oh, that's too much. Can we specify the size? Right, left, up, down. What? Oh, yeah, that's better. So if I do specify the reaction, that's so weird. Okay, yeah, anyway. Cargo, run. Now I can actually run it. I was thinking about doing this. Wait, what did I just do? What did I just do? Hold on. What? Oh, so I did what I was expecting to do. So I had two paints like. Oh, that's so weird. Wait, why is it? Let's restart the Lich, I guess. Oh wow. Oh, maybe I could. Oh, like, come on. The Lich layout. How do you reset layout? How do you fix the Lich now? Oh, so it was there. Okay, now Helix and plugin manager. I don't remember how to do plugin manager. Work time, no. No, I'm not doing this. Okay, I actually don't know. Control O, P, OP overpowered. Trying to remember it. So yeah, tab bar, status bar. Here. Now, let's actually get to it, because enough procrastination and speculation, I guess. I just looked at the viewer count. It said 5. Why? What are you watching? No. No. I was going to do it this weekend, but then... Oh, I still haven't edited the video. So I want to try a new thing. No, it was going to be like up to 12 hours. 8 to 12 hours. I actually told people on another Discord server about it. The very Discord server of the very Twitch streamer who inspired this challenge. Of one, of, at least. There are two. So yeah, I was going to do it this weekend, but then I have a video I wanted to make from GMTK Game Jam. I wanted to try editing streams into video, and yeah, I also have an event running, as you can probably tell. I mean, actually, like next weekend, the event's gonna be actually active, and right now it's just a submission period. But yeah, and also like I just came back from vacation and I had multiple things to do. So we're not yet there. Hopefully, I am gonna end up doing it. But yeah, this is not it. Okay, let's see. Array. So I wanted to extract this into a function. Oh, I haven't merged it yet. By the way, I think putting it... Well, I have it on my to-do list. I think putting it into a redeem itself would make more sense. Because, like, why? It's not linked to Chattery at all. So the theme change. I guess I could put it in... So if it's available in the editor I'm using right now, then in parentheses, if it's Helix, you can find the list here. So I guess I could do something like that instead. Actually, I'm pretty sure you can edit redeems. Autumn. Wait, where did... Hold on. Here. Theme O... Why can't I spell it? That's a graphite theme. Also, I want to open a new tab just to see how it looks. Wait. Oh my god, what are my shortcuts? Control here. Wait, okay, this. Yeah, I mean, not bad, I guess, for switching. So I'm gonna call the word param a separate closure. Or I guess I could do something separate here. So I wanted to make a function instead. When unpack pattern here. Also, I wonder what DevNinja will say about this layout. Because I'm pretty sure he was the one complaining about the fact that everything is just floating on top of everything else. My ad is about to start. Ooh. I guess you're gonna see an ad. By the way, I started seeing ads on Twitch. Yes, insane, I know. Oh my god, actually. What's wrong with me? Break none, pattern inner, pattern match, body pattern. Oh, it's body. Okay, fine. Let's make it a closure. Found unit type. What do you mean unit type? It's not a unit type. I guess I'm gonna change it to CVT param after all. CVT param. And just make it a closure. And here. I can't see, I can't tell anything with like this font. Anyway, that shouldn't change anything. Yeah, we're on the 1 hour mark and I didn't change anything. I made no progress at all. Okay, so what did I do? Wait, actually, what is this? I think I haven't committed last time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I haven't committed last time. Okay, it's fine. How do I build a function? I'm pretty sure there was codegen section. Yes, there is codegen. Build function. Yeah, there's build function. There's build function. Sorry. What function? Backend. Wait. Self build function. Backend. Function codegen. Oh wait. Function here. And here. Sorry. Is that right? Function array her function. Wait, that's not the right one though. Function ref. I need function ref, right? And func is function ID. Oh wait, function ID. That's what I need, right? Something like that. Where is it in HARTY? Is it in TY? Oh, is it in dev? It starts. Yeah, I know. Yes, it is in dev. So yeah, function ID should give us more info. I wish I used MIR, but I can't. Because we're not gonna use basic blocks. Stop using basic blocks. This design of optimizing compilers is like old, infinitely old. you should stop using basic blocks. You should start using new features like Sea of Nodes AR, and I don't know what else I'm gonna make in like next few years of working on the compiler. So what can we do? Sorry, I'm sorry. So what can we do? I need to get the body right. Actually, first of all, I should open docs in a new browser window. Docs rs. Function ID. Actually, you not like maybe not like that. Cargo doc open. Maybe like that. Function ID. Ingredient. What even is this? Actually, like, what is this? Hold on. I wanna know. Duplicate. Restarting browsers. Yeah. What is ingredient? I can't even click on it. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter. Lock, which I guess is location or lines of code. FMT stuff. Configuration. Has module. How do you get a body of function? That's probably what I need, right? Body. Welcome back. Expression store body. How am I getting the body? I think like the way you get it is through body with def ID or something. Oh wait, def with body ID, something like that. Um, and then I can do db body. Wait, let me get db. db body. Actually, oh, I need so I need some kind of trait. Welcome back, penguin operator. Body. How do you get the body? What's it? Root database. Body. So I can get it from def with body ID. Can I put function ID in it? Lookup until method. Intern function lookup. Wait, what's it? Lookup intern function returns an fan, which can give me a body optionally. It's like it's optional. What? Get or create body. Oh, and it has many useful things. Well, I guess I could have specified it, but like it's so straightforward to me. Well, I'm just gonna send a message in the channel. I should have actually given you roles. Now that I think about it, I'm gonna do that at some point. So I'm just gonna ping you, and it's gonna be a message kind of like, and the first challenge is actually I should have warned about silly names as well. It's gonna be like, and the first challenge is a silly name. Then a description probably, and maybe I'm gonna attach a sample file that I'm gonna run tests on. Maybe I'm not, because it's gonna be cheating. And then you just submit codes. So I'm gonna make the same example C submission, but for the channel, for the challenge, um, for the first challenge, which is gonna be in a week. So when the submission period ends, I'm gonna create the first challenge, and you can submit languages after the submission period, but yeah, it's gonna be hard time catching up. That's why submission period even exists, and I feel like 1 week is a lot, way too much. That's fine. So yeah, you're just gonna submit codes in either as a file or as a Discord code snippet thingy, and that's it. And then I'm probably gonna start a thread from the submission where um where there's gonna be voting and stuff. Oh, I also need to rate submissions. Uh, so yeah, we'll see. I have no idea how it's gonna go. Why are you asking me? Okay, so FN is really interesting. Not standalone. FN is interesting. Oh, it's syntax. It's AST. Yeah, that's not what I need though. Maybe no. What if you just send it as a regular file? Oh wait, you need to... Actually, you can also use Git repos, I guess. Or GitHub Git. But if it's a scripting language... okay, maybe you should reread scoring criterions, wait. Criteria. That's a Latin word, I'm pretty sure. It follows like weird naming conventions. So you should reread scoring criteria because size is also a scoring part of scoring criteria, whatever. So you should keep it small. Keep solutions small. I think number of lines or tokens. I'm gonna clarify within the first challenge. I should have provided like functions. So like pure math of how the scores are gonna be computed. I don't know. Probably just average or sum. Although time, like, people are gonna vote for the scores, except for token count or line count and time. Because yeah, we compute time using. We run tests and see times as values. Anyway, function ID, function signature with source map. Expression store source map. That's like something. What even is this? Diagnostic simulated during lowering. And so are stored in the source map. What are expansions? So I guess I can get expression store from there, right? Maybe no. So those are macro expansions. And what's this? Oh, that's just a fan. Yeah, I don't need a fan. Yeah, I think we looped around. So I guess we need body. Const eval discriminant. What? Oh, I put a one in unvariant ID and it gives me I128. Oh wow. Oh well. Oh well, oh wow. Wait, what is this? I was doing some things here. So yeah, DB body with... Wait, def. Why am I swapping them? Def with body ID. Um, mhm. Actually, I should probably put so DB body is gonna return what? What is it gonna return? It's gonna return an arc of body. Okay. Um, oops. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Arc. So body is an ARC of body. So it's gonna be array def. And then here, what was it? Build. We'll rename it to build. What? Build body. CodeGen is function CodeGen. Wait, can you have I wonder why the URL is godvault.org. Like, what's the background behind it? And yeah, you can see mrustc now. Rust char rust bool. Slice pointer and just mess. mrustc operation. IMAX 8. I'm in 8. Oh wow. And then there's mangling. Oh wow. Oh wow. So what I wanted to check is in C. Can you do a function that returns some? So let's say just return 0 and then do a const x equals test. I assume this won't work. Yeah. Initializer element is not constant. So you could have a body here now. So this is std gnu 99. What's wrong? Okay, maybe gnu 20. Let's see. Okay, now what's wrong? To A? GNU 17, right? This exists, right? A braced enclosed group. Oh, wait, braced group with expression on the side of function. Okay, yeah, so this is not allowed. Oh no, my bitrate is low. Oh no. It's fine now? Is it back? I think it's back. Okay, it seems fine for now. Seems fine again. So yes, it doesn't work. Neither does this. Which is not great. Because we have so we have bodies, we have statics. Okay, I guess for now we're just gonna hope it's fine. body equals here. So build body, or should I keep it as a build function? Because it can be, so def with body ID, what can it be? Static, const, and an enum variant. Excuse me. Are inference roots. What? How can an a variant? How can a variant? How can an enum variant be what? How can an enum variant have a root expression for type inference? Oh wait, yes, it can, because it's a constant basically. So all of those two are constants, and then we have static. Okay, so constants and we have a static. I guess. So a body is just a block, right? So we have a body, right? Body. Hey, body. Um, body. What can we do with the body? What can we do with the guy? Expression store self param and the body expression. Okay, so yeah, we have an expression. Do I need params? I guess I should have declared them or something. I guess I should have declared them. I should declare them though. But for now, I guess expression is sufficient. Hmm. Wait, what? Arena expression. What does it derive into? So that's what I need. Body expression. Oh, it's an index now. Well, yeah, yes, makes sense. And then there's expression store. Oh, it derives as a store, right? And then the store has expressions, right? And like a lot more, I guess. So we have an expression. Which can be okay. Yeah, I need a store. Build expr. I'm gonna change this to build expression. Expression. So store. Expression store. Express. Oh wait, expr store. Expression store, I guess. And then expr is expr ID. Kiko. So go to GY. Withdraw this one. So expression ID is what? href expression ID. What? Don't say those are private. No, those are public. What? Oh, href HIR expression ID. That's like a whole new level. Yeah, we have expression, we have store, and we have code. Or should I change the order? I think I should change the order. I think CodeGen should go first. So I'm gonna rename this to CodeGen. So CodeGen, then this. Why do I need a signature? So there is store in the signature, right? And signature also says has body. I need the body itself though. Oh, I need name. Right. So I need both. I guess. Anyway, so store is expression store, which is a struct. Which, yeah, I need a reference to it instead of just moving it. Oh wait, actually I don't need this. So yeah, we have the expression. Actually, can I do something like that? Yeah, I just reference it. So yeah, now we have the expression. Now I guess we can match the expression, right? Oh, that's a lot of expressions, right? That's a lot of fancy expressions. We like that, right? Use array def her expression ID. So now I can just do this. Actually, let me just do that. Yeah, instead of select, I'm still gonna be doing it manually. Sorry. So yeah, now we have all of those expressions to implement, right? Underscore, that's that's an interesting kind of expression, right? That's an interesting kind of expression. Actually, like, what is it used for? I know underscores are used for placeholders. So those are special variable names and patterns. But as an expression, well, I don't know. Oh, and there's also missing expression. Missing expression. Or they also have panic. in here. Okay, so if I run that, this should also probably panic on to do. Let's see if it does. Not yet implemented. Yeah, right. Line 26. To do block. So block, right. Makes sense. Statements and tail. Oh, and I also need to return the value somehow. How would I build expressions? How would you build expressions? Do you do it with context? I guess I could do something like context for building expressions. Function code gen. How do you do context? I guess I could do value naming or numbering or something. Oh, I closed the dockable window apparently. um. So yeah. Oh, I constant return. Yeah, I did stack based. I wanted to try stack based approach. I guess. So maybe I do value, which is an integer or a size, an index, I guess. Cgen. Codegen moderates this one. Definition backend, yeah, function creates a function which on drop, well, adds. So if there are statements, I push a new line in it, I guess, and yeah. I push defs. So I const. I guess I could just statements push and then return size. Wait, function body. I can't though. I guess I could also do an expression store. Or value indices. Because I need to allocate stuff. What's the best way of doing it? Or a stack-based approach. It's like, for example, return does pop if. Oh, and yeah, it's like stack-based thing. So for body, I'm just gonna block. For block, I'm just gonna for each statement. Use array def gr statement. Let, oh wow, variables. I'm gonna keep variables for later. So it's gonna be self, expr, build expression, code gen, store expression. And then an item. For an item, I don't care. I'm not using items. Actually, I should probably do something like this. Wait, how do you switch mode? Let me. Wait here. So an underscore and possibly comma space underscore multiple times. Okay, so now let's see. This, and this. Yeah, all of those I want to replace. Now, how do I quit? Like that. Reload all. Okay. Didn't they just replace you all? Oh, it's still there. File replacement completed successfully. And if I change it, it doesn't. This feels so weird. And it doesn't even work. TUI global search place rest. Okay, Circle doesn't work anymore. Circle, 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 circle. And this is circle. And submit Nix packages, huh? Let's try again. When was it last updated? Last month. Need maintainers. I just think it is broken. Oh yeah. Anyway, I guess I can do it for now, right now. Still, still better. So yeah, let me just expression path. Oh, a variable, a variable. What about a function call or a call? So there's method call and there's regular call, and callee is an expression. Okay, so yeah, I mean that's fine though, right? Okay. Actually, what am I doing? um. Why is it not catching commas? Okay, I guess I'm still doing it manually. It's not that bad. const IDX. Wait, what? That is interesting. Is it a const flag? Wait, I shouldn't have done this for block. At least, because I was trying to work with it. What is ID? Block ID. Oh yeah, I don't care about this. What is a label? I wanna see block label. Label ID. Oh, this kind of label, right? Wait, I don't know how I'm gonna I don't know how I'm gonna deal with labels yet. Okay, now regex. Wait. Yeah. Oh, so it doesn't work for some reason. Like it tries. So here, for example, like I can't even use mouse for some reason. Replace file R. Open file, enter. So this one. Replace line R. So I replace all lines. And then here, I replace this line. I can't replace it for some reason. I can replace the file though. And if I restart, if I reset it, it's just gonna. It just doesn't work for some reason. Okay, so librs and cgen. Librs. Wrong librs. This one. Oh, actually, can I select this? Search does work, select doesn't. Wait, what? Nothing selected. Oh wait. Well, percentage sign and then select. Right. Oh my god. Here. Oops. Here. And now. This is a single instance. So yeah, I can change it to this. Doesn't really make much sense, but it's fine. Anyway. So yeah, foreign expression. So imagine I build a block. Yeah, and the block has a label. Why would the block have a label? Is there like, can I actually break out of a block? I mean, C has labels as well, right? C has labels, right? Expression, arena IDX. Expected struct found reference. Oh wait, expression ref. Can I? Nah. Oh wait, I need to dereference it, not reference it. Yusuf moved. Excuse me? Moved? Okay, I'm gonna do mutable reference. Moved value, that's something. CGen. Oh wait, really. Let's see if it runs. Probably. It should to do, right? It should fail on to do. Actually, no, it shouldn't. Because I forgot. Cell build expression tail. Tail store expression. Wait, no. Code gen. Store tail. Like that, right? And deref tail as well. So if we dereference a tail. Oh wait, tail, if tail exists. I can do tail. Can I deref the option? I can deref the option. Or I guess I could do this instead. Doesn't matter that much. Although in theory derefing here would be better for the compiler. But I mean it's still Rust C. This is like cache coherency level issue. So cache coherency is gonna kill it. So we're not worth it. Literal lead. Why do I have it in source, by the way? Literal. Okay. Oh, and those two. So we have which uint. I'm pretty sure uint one. 68. Is it 67 or 68? It's 67. Oh, now that's interesting. That's interesting. I thought it's gonna be 68. Option built-in int. What is this? Is this a type? This is a type. Oh, because it is an int 32. Ooh, look. If I just change the code of this to return u32, then it's gonna give the error 968 and not 67, right? No, still 67. What? Actually, what? 67 int. It should be 68. No. What's wrong? Is this the right body? Body. There's expression store body, right? We choose HAR expressions. But this is like without type inference, right? Blocks. This give me all block expressions, which is well, I mean, makes sense. Maybe I need not an HIR but an MIR or something. Because I guess I could get MIR. HIR, MIR. Basic block, MIR body. Projection store. What even is projection store? What are you projecting and where? Because I'd like to use HAR, but it's not type inferred yet for some reason. Type inference. Okay, so Rust compiler stages. There is overview of compiler, decoding Rust as well. An interesting Medium article, I guess. Singing parsing. HCR, MIR, backend. Well, yeah, that's too high level, I guess. Too much of an overview. Invocation. No, that starts with invocation. Like singing parsing, AST lowering. AST is converted into HIR. A more compiler-friendly representation of AST. Just called lowering and involves desugaring, the patching and formalizing of shortened abbreviated syntax contrast. Like things like loops and async functions. Then type inference, trait solving, and type checking. Type checking process of converting types from the HIR, HIRTY, which represent the whole what the user wrote to internal representation using the compiler type TCX. TYTCX. So which kind of types am I using? If we look at librs, I guess function db function signature callable item signature. Welcome back, Nigel. This was not 5 minutes, but it's fine. Where's the database? So if I look up callable item signature, so this is gonna give callable sig, which gives me, I think this is the one that's interned. That's like the one, the right one. So yeah, type inference, type checking. It's called type checking because the information is used to verify type safety, correctness, and coherence. And then HAR is lowered to MIR by constructing THAR. I wonder if I can get THAR from Rust Analyzer. I don't know if I can. Third. Cursor third. Print pattern HAR, scene, winter HAR. So yeah, we only get HAR. So, but this is def HAR. I actually don't know. So I don't even know what cesium is. But I guess it's just an isotope, or whatever you pronounce it in English. And then there are also periods, which I have no idea. This is how 1 second is scientifically measured. What? That is interesting. Oh wait, so that's why like clocks based on chemicals are the best, right? How are actually daylight cycles so stable? With this, because I'm pretty sure there is not a single thing in human time where we compensate for daylight cycle. I mean, I guess it is drifting over time, But it's like it's drifting so slowly. This is insane accuracy. Anyway. So yeah, we have the HAR. This is not the right HAR though. Or is it? I need the HARTY probably. Although I don't know if this has the expressions and stuff. Constival. That's nice. That's interesting. So there's MIR. And MIR has MIR body. Yeah, I know. How do you get an MIR body though? MIR body. Yeah, I know, but that does not compensate. Well, also you're saying was not. Well, 2100 not hasn't even yet happened. But like that's not that's compensation for years, not for daylight cycle. Lower to MIR anyway. So body, and yeah, and it uses expression IDs. You forgot. Anyway. Also inference result. What? Hold on, where am I supposed to get it and what is it gonna give me? It only exposes mutated bindings and closure. Field resolution, what? You're from the future. Yeah, definitely trust you. Temporal field pattern adjustment, expression adjustment. What even is an adjustment? Kind. Never to any. Tref, borrow, pointer, what? I definitely trust that. Even more than I trust that you're from the future. I mean, to be fair, if only one programming language existed, it would be much easier to write tooling for it. And Orco wouldn't have to happen. Okay, so I have no idea what this is. HERTY, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Also, what's the, yeah, this thing. So, substitution. Ooh. Tuple ID. Type of expression or pattern is optional. Why? Type mismatches. Type mismatch for pattern. See, it gives substitutions. Resolutions, huh? See, I guess it constructs a MIR body. How does this work? Probably calls another function, right? It's an online course on COQ, the prof assistant. What? Written in a camel? What? The proof assistant written in OCaml transpiles to OCaml. Huh? timer, lowering context. So they create a context and then what? Allocate something. They allocate a local root expression. First type root expression. Okay. What? Oh, this makes sense. Binding picker. Replace with let chain once it becomes stable. What? What even is this? Lower expression to place. Current context pop drop. What? Like I'm looking at it and I just can't make it just doesn't make sense in my head. Every time every time I'm writing more and more work I just regret it. Regret it all. Although I have more and more appreciation for C and its simplicity. By the way, what if I go GitHub MRC actually was deleted in 29. How to build camel code bases were able to build the old Rust code base. What? Whatever. So camel is the one, right? It's an ML. I know. Oh. Yeah, I know old Rust C was written in OCaml, but for some reason, why would they build the old Rust codebase though? Because the new one was deleted. Also, what happened to C in 2100? In 2100? I mean, yes. The source code was deleted. Well, what about many forks? Or did Microsoft get taken down and GitHub as well? C is still used. Obviously. C can't be stopped using. C can't be stopped being used. Probably as an OCaml intermediate language. Or something, right? Exactly. I told you. I told you. Interpret the MIR. Yeah, you can see the interpret the MIR thing here. Just every time I read this code, I'm just like, I want to rewrite it more and more. I want to rewrite Rust Analyzer from scratch myself. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. What if I actually try? You can just run image files. Why are you saying this now? So Well, I'm using Epimage run for it. Sometimes Epimage run. Sometimes. You didn't know that. Um, well, you do need a VM, or I'm pretty sure Epimages are like archives or something. So Epimage is basically an archive um, with where there is a root. Well, I think you need Fuse though, don't you? So Epimage is just archive with a custom root which has all the files needed for an application to run. You see. You can also run snaps without snapd. The same principle basically, but squashfs and yeah, I don't quite remember anything about it. So I think what is it? I've been streaming for just 2 hours, but I feel like it's time to end today's stream. Yeah, I think my online been holding pretty high. We need to do some things. Or should I keep? Should I keep streaming? You know. Because Rust Analyzer is giving me a bit of a headache. It's a bit too complicated. Let's also explore Chalk, I guess. Chalk, IR. Or is it Chalk with A? Probably Chalk with A. It is. Play MCCI. Wait, where's the redeem? What? Oh. Oh, Godot crashed. That's why you didn't see the redeem. Well, I didn't see it either. Okay, sure. Actually, there's like no point. Citing it. Yeah, 129.8. Oh, it has Essential though. I haven't Essential installed. Which is not what I'd like to see it in here. I guess it's fine. I just play MCI every time. Why wouldn't we play what is it called? Luanti. Also, where's Chalk in engine? Chalk. Video to audio. Streams audio subtitles. Godot crash. Pipe it into WC. And you'll see a big number there. Or, well, most of the time I say overlay crashed. So you need to adjust your regex. Also, what does -o work? What does -o do in grep? Occurrences? What? Doesn't it normally print occurrences? Oh, well, makes sense. Yeah, I'm still gonna play it like that. Right, I wanna look for a minute. Prologue. Oh, so so Rust C plans to use Chalk. Oh wait, Chalk is part of Rust C or Rust Lang, I guess. REPL. What is REPL? I guess it is interesting. Let's see, multiplayer. Yeah, I do have MC. Wait, I do have like now, which I don't really like. I guess is overly intact. Yes, this. Not a single message on YouTube yet. Although my online on Twitch is kinda insane. Also, edit stream info. Please remind me to change it back. Why doesn't it want to open edit stream info? Wow, the loading time. Oh, I'm probably dropping a lot of frames right now. It's network again. I know frames are IP. Oh, I'm also reloading. Oh, texture packs. Yeah, that might be why. That might be why network died out a little bit. Where's my cursor? Stats. Oh, I'm gonna leave stats on screen. So right now it should be fine. REPL. Yeah. I know what REPL is. I was asking like why? What REPL could a Rust create that checks types have? Okay, so apparently I have the daily chest. I log into MCCI on stream now more often than I do in like my spare time. Also, I should probably like I can't lower it even more. So yeah. Oh, laggy, very laggy. Yeah. They copied some of the features from Three Labs, right? You can see some similar ones. F3. Also, maybe it should increase size of something. I don't know though. Can you see it fine? Also, minimap. I don't like Cyrus minimap either, but I have to have it installed because for some reason when I join another person's world who has a Xyros minimap, it does not let me sync. So we still haven't finished the second one. Let's go. Oh, I remember this one. See, we haven't finished it last time. Because Kavino came and blamed us in copying. I did not. We never did that, right? It was just borrowing and inspiration. Where do I go now? No! Why did you kick me off? What happened? Ah. What's wrong with me? I feel like I just fall off for no reason sometimes. I mean, sure, I could have released Shift. Probably. Could have released Sneak. But I'm pretty sure actually... Oh no, I shouldn't have. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay, let's... Oops. Okay. To learn how to not sprint in Minecraft. What? Well, you can see it here, right? This is how to not sprint in Minecraft. Because I because I'm bad at it. Also, yeah, sprint jumping while faster. Sometimes you just shouldn't. Because you can bonk your head and similar. And also when there is terrain that's varying height, sprint jumping might not be the best. Ooh, I remember this challenge. Please, no. No. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, here. Honey blocks, yeah. Honey parkour. Where am I supposed to go? Wait, actually. Oh, I think I got it. Wait, how did I get it last time though? I feel like last time I did something different. Oh, and I feel like last time we ended here, cause because I lied. I like this challenge. Also, I guess I could stop music because MCCI has its own. No. Well, maybe I have gave up this thing. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Via Fabric Plus might not be the best for playing MCCI. Actually, what version is it on? It might be on 1.20, 1.8 already. Because that's what I'm using right now. Almost there. Oh, I feel like... Oh, almost there. Oh, this one is hard. Yay! We did it. I think last time I didn't finish it. Yeah, I think I give up. I think that's where Kovino came actually. Oh no. And Kovino's just gonna come here and I will be like, hey, what are you doing? Oh. Bonk my head. Let's play it safe. I'm pretty sure I wasn't there yet. Yeah, I did. I literally mentioned it and said, please remind me. Oh, I won't be able to do this. I'm pretty sure I was there. Thank you. I'm gonna remind you. Oh, we were here though. We did this. Wait, did we go to the end and stop? Yeah, I know. Don't worry. Well, no. We were. I didn't do this section yet on the new course. I know it. I mean, I played it before. Definitely. It was probably one of the reasons I still don't have a single advanced completion. Oh, the honey. Anything. Oh. Okay, what do we have here? I'm probably gonna go medium. Oh, ITMG! Wasn't hard. Yeah, I'm not doing hard. So much hate, what? I never said so much hate. I know SMH is shaking my head, but I always say somehow. So ITMG challenges are always pretty fun. Water, ladders, ice, and they are like perfectly timed. No, I said somehow, not. Oops. Somehow, not this. Okay, I can probably here. Ooh, yeah, this ITMG challenge is pretty nice. 16 medals, yay. 8 minutes, 52 seconds. Not particularly great, not bad though. You know, I might be able to actually do this course for advanced completion.
Okay, let's go.
No. What's advanced? All time unique. Ooh. What's advanced? I wanna see your advanced completion. Hold on. Just to. Where are the advanced completion rules? Here. Oh, at least 16. I'd have to do the section with the glass panes first try or something. It's gonna be difficult. But yeah, that was MCCI for today. Hey. So yeah, I kind of want to try running REPL. Play Warzone. No, I don't even know what Warzone is, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna like it. Hijacks. I haven't seen you in a while. Here. In a little while. So I guess let's try running this. Hold on. Oh, laggy. Am I lagging? I am lagging. MF1. I think because something's lagging really badly. Kill this. Creating atlases. Yeah, what says DE1? Frames dropping, I know. Now should be fine. Oh, it's here. I wanted to Google the leech. Software development engineer. Now. What's the D1? What's MF SD1? Oh, create new window. The leech has windows. Do you like the leech? Why are you asking me about it? Maybe Junior. Oh, This is an abbreviation for a bad word, I guess. Junior software dev. Oh, that's something. How do I create a window in this glitch? I'm pretty sure they were called windows. Oh, tabs. Deploying AI models for them in SageMaker. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Fields are only available at the jobs. Java, C++, C Sharp. I mean, I feel like Java and C Sharp don't really belong here. Actually, I don't know. I have no idea. Don't mind me. Okay, how do I create a new window, a new tab? I don't control OP. How do I add? Control A. What? Oh, is it German? Amazing. Don't know anything about Ruby. Just you to Ruby. Well, it will introduce me to Ruby as well. Making a Linux distro with 3 people. What's wrong? How do I... Wait. The leech... Ouch, Lua. Yeah, anyone wanna do Lua as well? I wanna ask Foss Unleashed to participate. I know he can. Only name you have in mind. I mean, I can't suggest a name for Linux distro unless I actually know what it's gonna be. Tab. Okay, I guess I need to bring back a plugin. Lenovo Legion ad. Oh. Well, I started getting ads recently, except that they don't quite work. Twitch shows there is a commercial here or something. You asked Devninia? He said no. Elixir, why not? Or whatever. The leech bring back plugin. You're not liking your job. Are they making you write Go? Even TypeScript has a REPL. TS Node. I mean, a lot of languages have a REPL. It doesn't really matter though. Zalix, the leech, Helix, and various CLI tools. What? Hold on, what is Zalix? And where have I found it? How have I got there? Penguin Operator, why did you just switch to German? I'm pretty sure this is German, although I'm not sure. 3 hours from home. Oh, you're writing Rust, that's nice. But 3 hours from home. That's... Yes, that's a long drive. Today and tomorrow holiday. Yay. Yeah. You can talk to Devninia, your third lane. You can talk to Devninia in German. I know Russian, Belarusian, and also a little bit of Latin. The hard you because in blockchain you have to deal with lots of Rust code bases. Yes, it's what? Oh, that really makes sense. Serple. Oh, I see Serple again. Wait, somehow I opened Awesome the Leech. Wait, how do I re-add the plugin? I guess I could go run or Nix Nix var Nix profiles. Wait, no. Yeah, profiles per user. Wait, what? How do they add? You also know Ukrainian. Energodar. I don't even know what it is. You also know Ukrainian. You get 1 day WFH. Ticket on Monday. What's WFH? The one and only C++. How do I actually... work from home? Oh, that is interesting. For you, whole 5 days. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, how do you bring back the... How do you create a new window in the Leech? Okay, let me just open the Leech screenshot literally. And look at the shortcuts in the bottom. Paint, tab, resize, move, search, session, quit. Control C, and yeah, this works. Oh, Control C, arrow keys. Okay, let's do cargo. Oops, cargo run git. Where is it? Chalk. Okay, let's cargo install. With git then. I have no idea what it is, but I guess it's fine. I don't know what this is. Keep prologue. Logic programming regions and artificial intelligence automated theorem proving. What? Formal logic, whatever. Whatever this is. Are equally popular. TypeScript for DevTools. TypeScript for DevTools. I mean, I know people are using TypeScript for like tools and stuff. Why not Rust? Anyway. Don't use TypeScript in prod. For programs that have to be fast, of course. Whatever. Nestor plans to build a browser that compiles HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and well, you don't have to compile TypeScript. And I don't think you can compile HTML. So TypeScript is getting compiled on the server side, first of all, or whatever developers do. You only get JavaScript and WASM. So you want to compile JavaScript to WASM, and then WASM is gonna get just-in-time compiled to binary, because that's how it works. Oh yeah, that's not easy. That's not an easy task. Or if you actually want to compile HTML to binary, then you're gonna have a hard time. Then you're gonna have a really hard time. Or to WASM, I guess. There's probably a widely used Ethereum client written in every language, including NIM. Can you give me an example of REPL? Oh, that's a warning. First, you need to build your E-Lang to build as easily as possible. Oh, so familiar. Don't want a robot touching your codebase. I mean, yeah, it's fine as long as you talk to it and review its code. Yeah, if you know what you're doing. Shock. Okay, now program. Enter program. Struct foobar vecti. Struct test. X i32. Can I? Oh, it does parse. Oh, it doesn't care. Okay, program. Oh, program. Struct test xi32. Now. Okay, so it does support generic. Print lowered goal debug goal. Okay, program environment 4 will form tests fully visible. What even is this? you have to adopt. Let's go. What? True is so cool. What is cool? So what even is this? Oh, Rust REPL. That's not a Rust REPL. That's Chalk REPL. Chalk is so Chalk is a Rust straight system, but it is not. It is parsing using a Rust-like syntax into Rust-like IR. I mean, there are REPLs for compiled languages, but I don't know. Oh, there is, yeah, there is a EVCXR thing. EVCXR is a REPL. A Rust REPL. So EVCXR is the thing that, like, I'm pretty sure it's using Rust compiler under the hood. Implementation of eval with Rust. Create one, strip file with code. Yeah, it's basically Jupyter notebooks. So yeah, EVCXR is a REPL. A Rust REPL basically. So yeah, what do we have? Rust intermediate representation. Chalk Rust IR. Oh, so Rust C was meant to use it. Apparently. Roughly corresponding to the HAR. Okay, so what do you have? ADT representation, ADT, 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 ADT. Everything is an ADT. Function def. So yeah, I don't think this actually has like Rust IR. For example, the following, for example, the following is code. Fn foo working queue. ID signature binders. Yeah, but we don't have the body. It's fine. Anyway, I think we're gonna be ending there. 3 hours, pretty good. Where are we right now? Here. In this regard, oh, expression parsing. I don't kind of want to make it run though. 67. I am using wrong IR though. I am using some kind of wrong intermediate representation, or I haven't ran the lowering. I guess I should be using MIR or something. Well, THIR technically. But either THIR and rationalizer. I don't know. So yeah. Oh, also I haven't used expression ID here. Can you come up with a sequence of 6 numbers with first number 1 and last number 13? Yeah. You're asking me to do it? One that has a pattern. Oh, that changes everything. Let me think. She wants 6 numbers. Well, pattern is subjective. What does pattern mean? I can say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, and it's gonna be a pattern, which because what 4 times you change it by 1, and then you change it by what by 8 or something like that, and then you repeat this, and this is a pattern. I can say, I guess. Or I guess I could say pattern pattern. How can you compare which pattern is better or not? If a pattern is better or not? Can you specify what the pattern is? It's like each number is an input to a function that gives a next number. And this function must be like mathematical, simple, something like that. For example, I can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. We're programmed. Hint. What? This is so awful. Okay, I mean, I can 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. What? Where's the pattern? Fibonacci. I don't know Fibonacci numbers by heart. Do I? Oh my god. That's actually embarrassing. But like Fibonacci starts with two ones, right? Um, well, yeah, most people say Fibonacci starts with 2 ones, so I guess it's not very intuitive. But yeah, it should have been pretty obvious. I started going into prime numbers because math. I like opened prime number chart and saw that 13 is perfectly a prime number, and also if you do 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 is 6 numbers. Those prime numbers. Yeah, I know. But I don't know like numbers themselves by heart. Although if I saw 1 1, then I would immediately guessed Fibonacci. Because they start with double 1. Maillard body. Okay, I can get them. I can actually get in the Maillard body. A puzzle game. You're so embarrassed it took you so long. You usually start with 0, 1. I mean 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Oh yeah. I usually start with 1, 1. Just I don't know why. I saw it in school so many times, so yeah, I guess. But technically you can start with 0, 1 and that's probably the real starting point. You could also start with 1, 0, and then you'll get 1, and then you'll get 1, and then you'll get 2. Oh, what happened? Something blinked. If n equals 0, 0, else if n equals 1, 1, else Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Oh yeah, I know it works, I said it. It's a mere body. I like a mere body using basic blocks. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Mere. We'll check as well. Okay, so that's a mere section. Manage your factorial, which is the first example program. Oh yeah, I think I do factorial a little more often. Well, I don't test my lengths often. I don't test recursion in my lengths often. Because I never get to that point. Yeah, sad. Well, this time we will get to it though. And Orco, first class Orco was capable of doing it probably. Direction store, basic blocks, locals. Wait, I went into it. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to check the source code of the function. Create MIR body query. So I need MIR. Here. It's in lower section. Lower. Oh wait, MIR. Lower rest. Your static type function link enables recursion by having lambdas declared. Okay. MIR body query. Okay, so what do we have here? Create addition detail. Wait, what? Detail is a string? Excuse me? Oh, that's for tracing, right? Then we have body. DB infer. Oh. That is interesting, definitely. And then lower to MIR. Okay, so you do infer. Oops. Infer. It gives an inference result. Okay, I guess. Let's check lower to MIR function. So yeah, it does. What is it? What am I? What are you doing actually? Uh, signature parameter, self param, lower params and bindings. Okay. I don't really care. I want to lower the body. Lower expression to place. Okay, so I need a MIR lower context. And current. Oh, it's not there. Not available. Oh. Okay. Lower. Over here. Lower expression to place. With adjust and without adjust. What? Oh, this adjustments. Okay, so you literally have my deleted stream. What? Why is it a short? I don't delete my streams though. A star is born. No, it's not mine. Oh, whatever. Check. Okay, that is. I do have a second monitor, so it's fine. And Jax wouldn't send something bad, probably. But yeah, that's not me. Also, I listened without sound. Yes, I got a second monitor recently. That's so nice. Well, I kind of borrowed it from my mom. So I will need to buy one when summer ends. But they're cheap, like what, 20 bus tickets, which is about $7. With Type Music Cloud. Type inference done. Uh, okay, whoa, what is that? Not supported built-in ASM. Missing. Two ads. Well, no, I'm not rich. I'm not rich, but I think I can get like $7 for the second monitor. Because it's so important. It's so useful, so nice to have. I can't imagine streaming without one now. I can't even imagine like actually living without one now. Well, I can, because I did. But it's not nice. So what do we have here? Pass. $7 for a monitor. Well, that's approximately what they cost right now. Let's look it up. And that's like used. So if I go... no subtype issues of subtype say. Say let's check here. I'm gonna have to type in Russian a little bit, but bear with me. Just a random one. Oh my god, come on, stop. Just literally any. Oh, that's... Okay, that's a bit more expensive than I expected. Now let's... I don't know. Well, yeah, I need monitors. And I'd like a working one. It's probably gonna be VGA one as well. 200, 150, 110. Well, yeah, that's a little more expensive. That's about $30. Um, oh, here, right here. This is $10. This is something I can afford, right? Well, yeah, I'm not gonna buy anything expensive. I can only afford something that probably doesn't even have HDMI. Yeah, this has VGA. This only has VGA, which my second monitor currently is even worse. It also only has VGA and it's not even stable. But yeah. Anyway, I think we're gonna be ending here. We're gonna figure out types tomorrow. Let's see who we have here. Following anyone? I mean, 41 viewers. When did you explode that much? I mean, I guess it can Raid develops from scratch. He's doing an operating system in like C mixed with C++. You'll probably like it. Although I will check for compiler devs, compiler tech, just in case, because not many people are streaming compilers. Yeah, nothing except for Christoph. So what? Any suggestions? Nigel, wanna rate? I guess we could. What are they doing right now? Is this familiar name, but I just can't remember what they were normally doing. Also, is this a net? This is not a net. This looks like it's gonna be a net. It's not. Yeah, I guess sure. I still don't know what they're doing. Oh, they don't
I'm
even
not
know.
gonna do that actually.
They don't know either. Yeah. Anyway, thanks everyone for joining, and yeah, that's a big raid for me. Today online was like high. Today's online was surprisingly high. Anyways, thank you all for joining, and hopefully I'll see you next time tomorrow or some other day. See you. Bye. Now I'm just gonna wait. Oh, you didn't take me with the raid again.